How to edit your Openvibe account settings and update your profile step by step. So hey guys, it is your job teaching how to edit your Openvibe account settings right here. To edit your profile right here on Openvibe is open up your Openvibe right here. Once you open up your Openvibe right here, next thing we need to do is on the bottom right corner you will see like a settings icon right there. Press on the settings icon right there. After pressing settings icon right there, you will see their profile none. Press on right there. After pressing right there, next thing we need to do, you click on account settings right there. After pressing account settings right there, you will see there on the top edit account right there. Noster account. Now click on edit account right there. So here at edit account, you can now put in your display name. Change it. So we're gonna change it. We're gonna put more A's. And handle, we're gonna put more A's as well. Then after doing that, you can add a profile picture right there. You know, right there, profile right there, you can add a profile picture, you can change it. There you go. So then you can also change the background. Here you can also write a bio, for example, Apple, something like that. Then app link right there, you can app link right there. And then URL address right here and verification ID. If you have a Nostr identification right there, you can add it right there. And after adding all those, you can change it as many times as you want. No limit when changing. Now after doing that, all of those right there, next thing you need to do is on the top right corner you will see a save icon. Press on the save icon on the top right corner, and after pressing on that, then you are done. So there that's how you edit your profile account here on Openvibe. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please type it in the question because I have to answer as soon as possible here on Guide Glimpse. There you go, and thank you guys.